Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. My name is Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you get a free trial subscription in your Spotify music application. Well, this video is going to be very interesting because today I'm going to give you a very basic and a very step-by-step process, and what you need to do is just follow those steps in your Android phone, copy those steps, and I'm sure by the end of this video you would be able to get a free premium subscription of Spotify for 3 months. Let's go ahead and find it out. So the first thing we need to do is let's come and open our Spotify app. Well, that's my app, and after here you can see the settings icon over here, which is located on the top right side corner, the gear like icon. You need to tap on this. Now over here, this is my account. Just like that, your interface, the account interface will be open up, and it's asking me a free account, Go Premium. So let's tap on Go Premium, and now it's offering me, the Spotify is offering me to get 3 months of premium for no cost, for 0 rupees. Get 3 months free. All right, I like this 3 months free. Let's go for it. Now it's showing me, it's giving me an offer which says it's a review your plan, the premium individual. It says free for 3 months, and after that 119 rupees will be charged after 3 months. That is on 20th July 2023. So before that I can cancel my account also. If I cancel my account, nothing will be charged, and don't worry about it. Even if you give your all payment options and all the details, the Spotify is not going to charge anything before 3 months. The 3 months are absolutely free. 90 days, it's free. All right, so this is how you can review your plan. This will be the next page that will be open. Now it will ask you how you like to pay. You would like to pay from Spotify or the Google Play, and let me select Google Play. If you want, you can check the Spotify also. That doesn't make any big difference. So I think I'm quite comfortable with the Google Play. I'll go with that. It says continue with Google Play. All right, let's tap on this. Now it's going to the next page. Now it's asking me the payment options, what kind of payment mode I would like to use. All right, let's select this, more options. What are the options? Add Paytm wallet. I'm okay with this Paytm wallet. I'll better pay with this. Add Paytm wallet. All right, after selecting this payment option, it's going to send me an OTP. I got my one-time password, the OTP that I've already filled over here. Now let's tap continue. All right, it says it's starting today, 3 months free subscription, all this including tax, everything, and all the things, the terms and conditions, everything is written over here. If you want, you can read it carefully. However guys, if you want to pay with your credit card or debit card, you can do that also. Earlier in the option was available. You just need to press on that, and after that the interface will ask you for the credit card information, for the debit card, like the number, the expiry date, and the CVV number, which is printed on the back of the card. You can fill all these details, and don't worry about it. Don't worry. Spotify is not going to charge you immediately. They'll keep this information with them, and once when your 90 days period is over, that means when your 3 months subscription period is over, after that they're going to charge you this amount. However, if you want, you can cancel this plan later on also. Within this 3 months trial period, if you cancel this plan, nothing will be charged from your card. All right, so you absolutely need not to worry. So for 3 months it's free, that's I can assure you. And let's press subscribe. All right guys, so next it will ask you for the password. You need to enter the same password that your Google password. You need to enter the same one over here. Alright guys, so when you will enter your UPI password or your credit card or debit card password, once you will enter that, the system will ask you for the OTP. It will be sent on your mobile. You need to fill that OTP, and once you will fill that, once the process is completed, you will be subscribed for the premium Spotify. Like I got a message over here. It says premium individual. That's my ID, and yes, this is how this will be the interface, which actually signifies that you have been upgraded for the premium. So guys, that's all you need to do, and once all the process is completed, you're upgraded for the premium, and then enjoy your music. You can download, you get all lot of multiple features over there, and you can enjoy the application. So that's all for today's, guys.
So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.